What's up, y'all? It is your girl, The Black Pocahontas, and I am here with another makeup glam video. This is going to be a part of my prom series, so I'm coming to you guys with the smoky eye with the really bold lip. It is definitely giving prom. It is giving wedding. It is giving a night out. It is giving bold. Do you not see me? Oh, okay. So if you want to learn how I got this video, continue to keep watching. Make sure you leave me a comment down below, a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. What's up, class of 22? All right, bye. Starting off with my brows. So I'm just going to go ahead and groom them into place. And I'm just using a regular spoolie that's off of a retractable that's no longer in use because I used it all. So yeah, just want to brush your brows into place. Now I'm just filling them in with this Juvia's Place retractable pencil. I don't even know what color it was, y'all. I tried to look for the box to figure out the color. Can't find the box. But it's from Juvia's Place. And you just want to start drawing under your brows, and then you want to fill them in, and then once you get to the tip of your brow, you want to start doing light strokes, like little line hairlight strokes. Oh, that's me just jamming. Send me the location and I'll be right there. Y'all know he be snapping. Going in with a concealer that is at least 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Infinite Long Wear Concealer in the color 13. Y'all, this is my holy grail, and I love this concealer so much that I use number 16 as a foundation. Like, if you wanted to know why my sister makeup always gave what it's supposed to give, it's because of this. And I cannot find 16 anywhere. Any dark shades, really. I can only find 3 fair shades. Like, I looked on Ulta.com. I looked at actual Ulta Beauty store, Target, MakeupRevolution.com, Amazon. They are discontinuing this concealer, and it breaks my heart. So if you see my makeup starting to look a little funky within these next few weeks, that's me trying out new products, trying to see what I like, what I don't like, and see if I can find something similar, if not the same, to the Makeup Revolution Infinite Long Wear Concealer. So yeah, but anywho, so I started off with putting the concealer towards the tail of my eyebrow. Then I pushed it towards the front, making sure I extended it towards my nose just a little bit. Now I am bringing the concealer down over my lids, and I'm tapping it to get an even spread, just so that when I start doing my eyeshadow, I have a nice even base. And so, my eyeshadow could pick up, and it can, stay on to my eyelids with pigment. Taking this dense feather brush it came from a pack that my cousin got me from Target, so that's the best I can tell y'all about it. I don't really know the name of it, but it was a pack of brushes. Anyways, taking this brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer so that it is very soft and it is very even, and that it's already matted down, because you don't want it to be wet. You want it to definitely be dry. So I'm just going ahead and I'm going to make sure that towards my nose I am blending very, very well, so that my eyebrows look as natural, and it's a sharp natural, okay? It's going to look sharp, and it's going to look like I enhanced my eyebrow, but it's going to be a really natural transition between it because of me blending it. And I just want to make sure I blend towards the edge where my wing is. And now I am going in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder. Do not put this on your actual face. Only set your eyes with it, because I promise, if you my skin color, you put it on your face, you're going to look like a powdered donut. So I'm just going ahead and I'm just tapping it all around on my eyelids, so that when I do my eyeshadow, the pigment if that makes sense. The pigment can pick up on my eyes, basically. And this is also to stop creasing as well. But yeah, I'm jamming. I'm just showing y'all, giving the girls the looks. Going in with the big box of crayons. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this brown color. I don't even know the color of the brown. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. Don't even know the color of the brown, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put that where my crease is, all over my eye. that same palette, I'm going in with that black, and I'm going to basically tap it on my lids and right under my crease, and I'm going to try to blend them out and get a very smooth transition, and that's basically like how you want to do your smoky eye. So boom, let me just show y'all what it's supposed to look like by now. Yeah, if it don't look like that, redo it. Going in with my Nars foundation. This is going to be the second to last darkest neutral shade. I'm trying to find a name for y'all, but my sticker with the name on it has definitely pulled away. So until I find out the name, this is the best description I could tell y'all about this shade. So anyways, I'm just showing y'all this is a side with foundation, and then this is a side with no foundation. Y'all see my real skin. It's definitely clear. It's definitely up there. But anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to smooth this foundation all around my face. I want to get a nice, even coat of this foundation. But I don't want too much because I don't want to be cakey at the end of the day. But I want just enough. And I want it to give me skin-like appearance. Going in with this damp beauty blender. If it's not damp, it is not going, your makeup is not going to look good. I promise you, it's not. It's going to look so crusty. So please wet that thing up to it's really fat and squishy and wet, and then just wring out the water, and then go ahead and just, you know, put it on your face. And this is going to help me take off the excess makeup to where it's definitely giving skin-like and not too much, and it's giving it a airbrush look. Now I'm going in with that same foundation, and I'm just cleaning up the top of my eyebrows. You want to make sure you use your foundation color, because if you use the color that you use for concealer, you're going to have halo eyebrows. And let me just tell you something. Halo eyebrows ain't really that cute. I mean, if that's what you like, that's what you like. But we left that in 2016. It is now 2022. So we're gonna do the color of our foundation. Yeah, because yeah, that's just what we're gonna do. No more halo eyebrows. Please stop it. Boom. Give y'all a little personality. Give y'all a little bit of looks. Ghetto. Hey, I be jamming. Using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is the color 57, and which is the color Rich. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my nose, my chin, under my eyes, and my forehead. This is going to enhance your makeup. This is going to draw attention to where light usually hits your face, and it's gonna look muy bueno. So I'm using 2 shades that is lighter than my skin tone. You could use up to 3 shades lighter, but when you do, you would definitely have to blend a lot more and a lot better. So if you're new, you might want to just stick to going maybe 1 shade, but 2 at the most. But if you OG to this makeup, or you know a little bit more about makeup, go ahead and do the 3 shades lighter. But me, I'm just doing the 2 right now, and I'm blending them out using that same damp beauty blender, but this time I'm using the tip instead of like the side that I was using before. And I'm just going to make sure I really just tap it out, and to make it look very, very airbrush as possible. So I wanted that really bright under eye, so I went in with an additional 2 shades lighter. So this is really 4 shades lighter than my skin tone. Y'all, people don't do this, but I'm doing this, okay? So I'm just going in with this 4 shades lighter than my skin tone right under my inner eye corner. And I'm going to definitely tap that out, make it as smooth as possible, and blend it in, because this is 4 shades lighter. This is not 2 like the last one. This is 4. Like, you don't want to be looking how you looking, you know? So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out very, very good, very, very smooth. Time to bake. They don't call me the bake queen for no reason, okay, baby? So right now I am mixing. I know when I start mixing, people start getting scared, especially my clients, because they be want to know when I do their makeup how they can potentially like do a little something themselves. And when they see me start mixing stuff, they do the big eyes, the big bubble eyes. But anyways, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution in the color Deep Banana, and I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent, and I'm blending those together, and I'm gonna sit that a really good layer, like a really deep layer under my eyes, because I do want that really bright under eye, that little, because you know this look is supposed to be the most, it's supposed to do the most, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set that under my eyes. I'm gonna put it on my chin, on my nose, as well as my forehead. Basically everywhere that I just highlighted, I'm gonna go ahead and set. While I'm baking, I'm just gonna go ahead and start contouring and bronzing my face. I'm using the Juvia's Place bronzers. This is the darkest one. Like, you know how they like fair, light, medium, deep, deepest dark. This is the deepest dark palette, and I'm using the really dark color on it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it on my forehead. I'm gonna bring it down towards my cheek, or my contour lines are my cheek. If you don't know where your contour lines are, you can always suck in your lips like a fish, like how I did, and then make sure you blend up, never down, always up, and that's how you can create a contour line if you don't know where yours is. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna make sure I get where the end of my chin is, just to make sure my face is definitely structured. about 2 to 3 minutes. You want to just start wiping off your setting powder. So I'm typing it off, and then I'm making sure to brush it on my hand to get that excess powder off, because you don't want to put that same powder back on your face. But yeah, I'm just going in little small sections, taking off the powder. You don't want to be too forceful with it, because then you will start looking ashy. Ooh. You see how I had to dust it off my shirt? Giving the girls the real sharp eyebrows, giving the girls a look, angles, definitely a nice smoky eye, purr. This is a lip pencil basically from NYX. It is black. I don't know the name of it. I just know it's a black lip liner. So I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. Once you line your lips, you want to go in with your red liquid matte lipstick. So this is a liquid matte lipstick, and it is from Amazon. It came in a pack with a whole bunch of other ones. I think it's not NYX. I think it's like in GM or something like that. I'm gonna try to find a link. If I can't find a link, I'm gonna definitely try to find a name, put it in the description box. You should look a little something like this, okay? A little something like this. Now this is me with the lashes. Purr. Yeah, this is a bad female right here. But you want to make sure that you go ahead and put some silver in the inner corner of your tear ducts. That's to give your eyes that pop. Spray your face with the Morphee Continuous Setting Spray. Look at me. I am that girl, must I remind you? Purr. Purr. Oh, okay, we're not even done, and the look is giving. So now I'm just going in with my highlighter palette from Too Faced. It is the ice cream palette. I'm using the gold color, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to put the highlight basically everywhere I highlighted. So on my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. The look is now completed. I just want to go ahead and show y'all how I look. You should look a little something like this. Okay, so go ahead and make sure y'all leave me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. It will mean the world to me if you guys subscribe. Make sure you leave me some comments. I want to interact and know you guys. I want to build a family with y'all. This look is not only for prom, it is for anyone.